All right, we're looking at Jupiter Inlet Lighthouse right here. We do have that cloud deck that moved in, broken cloud deck moved in from the onshore winds, pushing it ashore now. Our winds turning from the north to the northeast, now to the east, and that'll push in batches of clouds from time to time. Maybe a sprinkle. We don't see any rain in it right now, but the possibility of a sprinkle will be there as the atmosphere starts to moisten up again from it being so dry here after the big cold front. Now the forecast hour by hour for later on this afternoon, in and out of the clouds. So we'll call it partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies. Still low humidity, not bad, but it is on the increase now that the wind's turned around. High temperatures just hovering near 80 degrees. That's still a couple degrees or so below the average for this time of year. Not going to be as cold tonight, as we'll start to get even more moisture in here and then bring rain chances up. Well, in part because of this thing right here. This does have a 60% now chance to develop. The Hurricane Center upped it a little bit, sending an airplane out here, Hurricane Hunter, to check it out and see if it is developing. It does look a little bit better on satellite imagery here. We have a cold front coming, and that's going to help funnel all this moisture and sweep it up into our area. Regardless if this develops or not, the track of all the moisture is going to be close enough to where we see, well, heavy rain potential and the potential for some strong storms too at that as it moves on through. So here are the spaghetti models. Again, if it develops here into a tropical storm or so going into the Bahamas or so, our weather not changing all that much as we're expecting still the same with some heavy rain, some gusty winds and that kind of thing. The timing for that is going to be Saturday afternoon, let's say noontime through about midnight. That's what we're pinning down as the worst weather right now. Let's time it out on Vipercast. We don't see any of that today. A sprinkle at most here going into the evening hours as that onshore wind progresses. Now we see more winds out of the south by tomorrow morning. That will cloud us up and bring in more moisture, and then by the afternoon, here we go. Everything starts to light up. Showers and thunderstorms, some of them could be strong, moving from south to north here. Everything pushes up through the area. Potential for heavy rain will be there. We could see 2, 3, 4 inches of rain very quick amount of time, so that could have some flooding potential there too. And again, that's going to be Saturday evening. Probably the peak will be around dinner time. Then it quickly pushes on out. Here comes the cold front. That will sweep on in Sunday morning. The chance for a shower will be there, but the severe part of it will be gone. We are in a moderate risk here, or a marginal risk, not moderate, marginal risk here for the coastal areas. Worse the farther south you head, though, and our chances are a brief tornado and some gusty winds. Again, that will be tomorrow night. Rain chances spike then, come down on Sunday. Monday looks glorious. Sunday night looks glorious too. Little choppy for the boaters, seas 2 to 4 feet, and the beachgoers today, well, a rip current risk thanks to the onshore wind, a few more clouds than what we've seen. 7-day forecast, high temperatures go up a little bit. Again, strong storms Saturday night, so if you do have Moonfest or plans trick-or-treating, that's going to be really the bullseye there is right at that time. Then we look gorgeous for Monday, and actual Halloween day looks amazing. 79, still humidity, not bad.